doing today? Not working on the bench today. That's coming. I'm got a little project here. It's Appy has to do. See the where's the damn camera? See the little angle on the side here? Well, I have to take a steel bar and take one of these things. If you could see this right here, I have to take a steel bar and get one side to roughly, you can see that, possibly be the same angle. Can I do it? I don't know. But I'm hoping I could it doesn't have to be perfect. This isn't a high precision, high tech, whatever. It's just more like a farm job, as you could say. What it's for is the problem we're having with a piece of machinery. It's a grain thing. When you put the belt on, it's a huge drum, and the belt keeps falling over and just coming right off track. And so we figure if we make something to hold it, maybe we could machine it down. And I don't know. Problem is I don't know how to put this in my, what do you call it, milling machine vise, and get it the exact height and angle. And I know, see, I don't know, I don't have an angled, what do you call it? What the hell's the word? I don't have a chuck to put an angle, and I don't have too many, what are they called? Shit, I don't remember what they're called. The little clamping blocks to hold it. So I'm not sure if it's even humanly possible, what machines I got. So, I don't know. But worst case scenario, I make a jig and fix it with a grinder. There's only about basically it's like, even this sucks. I need a freaking caliper thing, majiggy, not caliper. What's that called? What is that called? A square? Machinist square? What the hell my machinist square do? Let me check. Hold on a second. Well, it's not a machinist square, but it'll help me figure out what angle I want. So yeah, basically put this on here, and I want an angle of, the angle of the dangle has to be like, kind of like so. Yeah, kind of like that. Don't know how many degrees, I don't care how many degrees, but that should be the proper fit for this. Now, I have to, I need about 10 of them, so basically, if I put this at the edge here, I would have it pretty much cutting, who knows what off, a good 1/4 inch, but how the hell, I don't know, I don't have any fluted bits or anything. If I put this in my vise, I don't know if I could hold it like this in the vise. I don't know. Hey, caramba. Let me go figure this out in my milling machine. I'll see if I can figure something out. Stay tuned. Hello, folks. It's half a head person. Yeah. What was I going to say? Arco's texting me right now. Anyway, I got to measure this little piece here, which I think I said was about 3/16. Is that what I said? Right about here. You can't see the damn line. It's too too dull. Right about there. We're gonna lock this. Lock this up. It's about, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1. Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna go on here. I'll show you what I'm gonna do here. Turn this down a little. Don't mind the messy bench, please. Come on. There we go. Now, find the flat side, which should be, that's not a flat side. It doesn't really matter if it's flat anyway. Move the axe handle. Turn the light on. Now I'm going like this. Try to get a nice good I know. I'm destroying a caliper. I check all these things. I'm drawing a line over there so I can take this and what am I doing? I'm gonna have to grind it because I don't have the machinist tools to even do what I want here. So, that old saying, if you can't find it, grind it. So I'm just gonna go down and see how much I can take off on here. See if it works. Maybe, maybe not. Should be interesting. So yeah, it's pretty much all I can do. Did I put it on the right side? Duh. I think I put the line on the wrong side. So anyway, let's go like this then. We'll put a line right over, where is it? The scribe line. This is the line from here to here. We'll do the poor man's, what do you call it? About that much here. I need about that much taken off. See how that goes. Anyway, I will do some grinding and I'll get back to you. So stay tuned. Hello folks. As you can see, I did a little grinding here and I got the angle, did half of it. I'm going to cut it and do this half. And if you look at it, it may have, which one was it? That's this one. That goes, that one? That's the angle of the dangle. That's just for using a grinder. Got a pretty decent, oh, you can see that it's pretty hot. It's burning my hand. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. If I had a tilt table over there on my milling machine, I would get it a lot better than this, but grinding will work. So anyway, let me cut it off here. I'll chop it off and show you. I'll show you my new little mini DeWalt grinder. Let me put this mask back on. Put the mask back on. That one, these suckers. Put my safety glasses. Also the reading glasses. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me see, let me take this off here. Take the mask off. Alright, put the gloves back on. This thing's hot. What am I gonna do with this? Well, I should have measured it before I did it, but let's take one of these things. See? Tape measure. This is about 12 inches. My glasses back on because I can't see. And I'm going to probably cut it up in maybe 1.5 sections. Right about there. 1.5. Let's see. 1.5, 1.5. pretty much, it's ground down good enough. Why am I doing that? I now see, because it's gonna sit on here like this. Now I drill some holes so we can put a self-tapping screw in there. And I'm probably gonna use my drill press to drill some holes, and then I'm gonna see if I can drill a countersink hole so I can put the screws in. So yeah, let's try that out and see how it works. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and 2 there, and maybe it'll work. Maybe it'll work. Probably gonna make about 12 of them. So I will measure this here. Which one is this? Yeah. Measures at 12, roughly 12 inches anyway. So I like these old tape measures. Whoever I got the idea off of on YouTube, thank you. I'd give credit to where credit was due, but I can't honestly remember who I learned it from. So until I remember, well, it's a good idea, and it wasn't my idea, so I'm not taking credit for it. So let me just go like this so I can grab the damn thing in a minute. There we go. A little more grinding, and I'll be right back. Get the glove off here. Take this off here. Take my mask off. Alright, what do we got here? Yeah. Or it should be. One piece here and one piece here. Should be 2 little pieces here, and put my glasses back on. I should be able to, actually I should have never done this up here. This back on here before I burn my hand. I should be able to, that's this angle. Yeah, it's about, it's roughly, it's melting the plastic. So anyway, I got this one done. As you can see it, it's not perfect, but it should be enough to, where's that piece? Should be enough for this thing, little piece of V-belt to sit in there. And I'm gonna lay this on the counter because this counter is so cold, it should suck the heat right out of it. Next, I'm going to, oh shit, I forgot to bring my center punch. I forgot to bring the center punch back. Let me go find another one. Is this the one? Nope, that's a nail punch. Give me 1 second. Reason number 927 to buy another center punch. This, we're gonna cut them off roughly here, 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 and here. Now yesterday I used the center punch a hole. And what I did was, the tip broke off. But lo and behold, I found out at Harbor Freight that all of their crap is guaranteed for life. So I bought another one. I'm going to return it and get my money back and get my center punch back. So I'm going to put a, like I said, this isn't high skilled. This isn't high tech work. This is basically, I would say, farm work, farm grade machine work. All it is going to hold a belt on a track on a giant drum. Yeah, it's cold in here. Hear my breath. See my breath. So what I'm going to do is go like this. There's one. There's two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one might be too close to the middle there. Okay, that's good. Now what I'm going to do is, before I cut this, I'm going to drill holes in here. I'm going to try to drill a bigger hole, a small hole all the way through for a screw, and then I'm going to try to drill a bigger one so we can get at least a decent sized screw in there. So stay tuned, I'll show you what I'm done in a minute. Hello folks. I drilled the first set of holes in here. Now I'm going to deburr it before I go on there because it's causing a problem on the milling machine. Not on the milling machine, it's causing a tiny problem on the, what do you call it, drill press. The little burrs are getting stuck and it won't sit right. So these things are pretty cool, these deburring tools. They're cheap, made of carbide, and like $6-7 on Amazon. Might have went up like the price of chicken, but hey. So now what I'm gonna do, since I don't have a counterbore bit, I'm just gonna drill a bigger hole so I can countersink a drill bit in there, so not drill bit, a screw in there, so if the belt goes off, it doesn't cut it up. So stay tuned. So now I cut some bigger holes, so maybe some screws go in there. I don't know if they're big enough, but we'll find a set of screws going. Just put in there. So we'll see how this goes. Let me just gotta deburr this thing. It's kind of hard trying to deburr this when it's. I have to file it. Let me get a file. File off all the naughty bits. I need a round file. I need a round one. I don't have any extra handles, so. Wasn't dead nuts on all of them, but you know what? I just don't want it super sharp. I do not want sharp edges. Maybe get jabbed, stabbed, or let's see, this has got a sharp edge on it. It's not too sharp. I know somebody's going to complain I'm going both ways on foil. Thought that was debunked. So anyway, that's somewhat okay. Farm fresh. Now I'm gonna go chop it up. Be waiting one second. Hello folks. What I end up with is a little piece like this. I made a whole bunch of them. Little tiny pieces. They just basically little blocks. And what they do is, the sole purpose of it is to take the belt and keep it on a track. There's something on the other side already, so I just want to put something against it so the belt sits in and doesn't on the line itself. So it's pretty close. It goes around. I have so far this many. I'll put the camera down a little here. Got that many made. I went and deburred the edges. This might be a little problem, but hey, you know what? The back sides aren't our problems. The belt's not on there. This side, well, it doesn't. Belt's not going to get cut on it. So anyway, what do you call it? Hope you enjoy my videos. I put some lighting on the back there too. And if you like the videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends and join the party. Thanks for watching.